welcome back, guys. So basically I'm cutting up some celery to put inside of my blender. So I'm gonna make you celery and cucumber juice today. All right. .95% of cucumber is just water. So I use 2 stalks of celery and roughly about 1/4 of cucumber. Piece of a ginger. I'm gonna remove the skin from the ginger. Lemon. I'm gonna use half of a lemon. I got 1 more stalk of celery. I'm gonna just put it in it. We're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon powder. Lovely and nice. I got some apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna be using inside of it also. A pinch of apple cider vinegar. And some water. Drink this every morning before your breakfast. Very, very good and healthy. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna blend this about 4 seconds. Alright. Let's loose it up back. If you notice, I didn't put no honey inside of it. Smell really good. Just to make sure my blender is alright. Nice. So I'm gonna loose it off now and see exactly. So not every time I drink the fiber, but this time I'm going to drink the fiber. Alright, so I put some fiber inside of it. Look at that. Amazing. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Celery, ginger, and cucumber with apple cider vinegar and also cinnamon. Very, very healthy drink, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. It's a very nice and simple juice to drink in the morning before breakfast, and I encourage you guys to do this every morning before breakfast. All right, as you can see, very good drink. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. I will always give you the best recipe every time. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. Nice, guys. So basically, as you can see, I put some apple cider vinegar in it, and also some cinnamon powder, which is very, very good for it. Alright guys, so if you guys are going to make this at home, please do the same thing. Celery, cucumber, lemon and ginger, apple cider vinegar and cinnamon powder. Very, very good drink to drink in the morning before you even eat your breakfast. I got some more recipe coming out and more ideas will be coming for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time. More recipe. Bye bye.